In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a shared design safely in Canva. If you've ever been sent a Canva design and worried that your edits might change the original for everyone, this walkthrough is for you. Duplicating a shared design first ensures you work in your own private space, so your changes stay visible only to you until you're ready to share. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. In the results, click the official Canva link to go straight to the site. Once you're there, log in with your usual account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you're part of a team, so you can access the items that have been shared with you. After logging in, you'll land on your Canva home. If a design automatically opens, return to the home screen so we can begin from the dashboard. From here, click the Projects tab. This is where all your files live, including items others have shared with you. In the left-hand sidebar of Projects, select Shared with You. This view filters your content to only the designs other people have granted you access to. It's the safest starting point when you're aiming to duplicate rather than edit someone else's document. Scroll to locate the design you want. Important: do not open it. Opening the shared file directly can place you into the original, and any edits you make there could affect the owner's version or be visible to collaborators. Instead, hover your mouse over the design's thumbnail. You'll see a small menu icon appear, 3 dots, sometimes called the More menu. Click those 3 dots. In the menu that appears, select Make a Copy. Canva will create a duplicate instantly. You'll see a new file appear named Copy of, followed by the original design's title. This copy is saved to your private projects area, not the shared one, which means you can edit freely without changing the original or notifying others. Give the system a moment to finish creating the copy. You can confirm you're in your own version by checking that the title begins with Copy of. If you don't see it right away, a quick refresh of your projects page usually brings it to the top. From here, open your copied file and start making your edits confidently. Your changes remain private, and the original shared design stays intact for the owner and other collaborators. That's all it takes to duplicate a shared design safely in Canva. Search, log in, navigate to Projects, choose Shared with You, avoid opening the original, use the 3-dot menu, and make a copy. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.